Man charged for taking the life of father and son in New Forest, Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Kingston man has been charged in connection with the execution-style killing of a father and son in New Forest, Manchester in June. Charged is 21-year-old construction worker Nicholas Williamson, otherwise called Pooh Bear. The deceased were 33-year-old Floyd Ferguson, otherwise called Fido, and his 60-year-old father Hubert Ferguson. Fido was an upcoming entertainer and car dealer from New Forest. Police reports are that at about midnight on June the 5th, 2026, residents heard loud explosion coming from premises in the community. The police were subsequently alerted. Upon arrival, the police discovered both men in a bedroom suffering from what appears to be gunshot wounds. Their hands and feet were bound. The police transported them to the hospital where they were pronounced dead. Subsequently, a post-mortem examination conducted on June the 18th confirmed that both men died from gunshot wounds to the head. Williamson was arrested on Tuesday, August 11, 2026. He was subsequently charged with 2 counts of murder, robbery with aggravation, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a felony. According to reports, Williamson was questioned following his arrest and allegedly confessed to the offenses. The police further reported that he provided a caution statement in the presence of 2 justices of the peace. Investigators said that Williams is expected to face additional charges in connection with other robberies and shooting committed in the Kingston corporate area. Both Hubert and Floyd Ferguson were laid to rest on Sunday, July the 19th, 2026. The funeral service was held at the Comapen Seventh-day Adventist Church in St. Elizabeth. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.